Hey guys, it's Denise here and welcome back to another video, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is the airbrush heart design that's trending right now. It's like a whole 90s vibe. So and I'm sure you guys seen it everywhere, but I thought that I'd give it a try. I have already shared this on my Instagram and TikTok seemed to like it. Everybody thought my hearts were like perfectly shaped or drawn out and everything, so I thought I shared on here too. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, as you can see, I'm gonna do my hearts first. I'm gonna go ahead and draw them out, and the color that I'm using is Oh My God Pink Neon from Madame Glam. And so I'm just drawing out my hearts everywhere that I want on my nail. It's a very simple design, there's really nothing to it, and I thought it was cute, so I thought I'd give it a try. And of course, I'm going to let you guys know the products that I'm using. So the brushes that I'm using are from Beetles, and I absolutely love these. I think it's 4 or 5 of them that come in the pack, and I'll make sure to leave the link in the description box for you guys to check out. Absolutely love these for artwork. I love how thin they are. I love how the bristles work. So yeah, I absolutely love them. And then the nail tips are actually display nail tips. And these are perfect for you to practice like any nail design that you've been, wanting to practice. So yeah, absolutely love these as well. I just recently got them in one of my hauls. So yeah, I love them. And let me know if you guys have seen this design and actually tried it out for yourselves, and let me know what you guys think of it. I mean, I thought it was a really cute design. I'm not sure exactly who started the trend, but kudos to you. It's super cute. So moving on, I'm just taking my LED lamp that I got in one of my nail boxes with the stuff that came, I think it was the Nail Couture stuff. I'm not sure what month that is. But yeah, I'm just going curing it just so the gel polish won't start spreading or anything like that. And so here you just see me grab my dotting tool, and I'm just dotting little circles so I can go ahead and create my stars. So now I grabbed my brush and I'm just feathering out that gel polish up and down into the sides to create my stars. This design is actually pretty perfect for Valentine's Day. It's coming up, of course. So I don't know if you guys have any plans with your significant other or maybe your kids, but I hope you guys have an awesome time on that special day if you guys, acknowledge the holiday. But yeah, it's super perfect for the time. So moving on, now that my hearts and my stars are done, we're going to move on to the next step. And the next step is to make it look like you actually used an airbrush, so the airbrush effect. So what I did is grab some base coat. I think some people are using top coat, but I just used base coat. And I mixed it in with the gel polish that I used, the pink one. And I mixed it in, and so now I'm just taking it and I'm just going over the heart and the stars, because again, we're trying to get that airbrush effect. Eventually I actually colored in the hearts, some of them, and I thought it was super cute. So I like how it's turning out. At first I thought I had done too many hearts and too many stars, like I didn't like space them out, they're like right next to each other, but I like how it turned out overall. So what do you guys think? This is what it looks like after applying the jelly lighter pink color. So now we're just adding the highlights, I guess you would call them. So I'm just taking my perfect white from Madame Glam, and I'm just doing little highlights around the heart and around the stars, and then we're gonna move on to the final results. All right, my ladies, so this is the final result. Let me know what you guys think. That is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.